This video is sponsored by TrackMotive. 3 great lines, 1 great company. Visit trackmotive.com for more information.
Today's performance vehicles are more powerful than ever before. In order to address the increased horsepower, more and more of these vehicles now incorporate a monoblock tube CV axle design to handle the increased torque while still providing a quiet, smooth ride. Monobloc CV axles offer several benefits, particularly in applications where durability, performance, and efficiency are critical. Here are the key advantages: increased strength and durability. Monobloc CV axles are forged or precision machined from a single piece of material to eliminate welds or joints that can provide points of weakness. This helps to provide enhanced structural integrity. Eliminating multiple components and joints reduces the likelihood of failure under heavy loads, especially in rough terrain or extreme driving conditions, resulting in increased durability versus traditional multi-piece CV axles. Reduced weight. Monobloc CV axles use a smaller, lighter diameter center bar, allowing the shaft to fit into smaller spaces. The reduced weight also helps improve vehicle handling and provides better fuel efficiency. Improved performance. A lighter, stronger monobloc CV axle helps reduce the rotating mass, requiring less effort for the engine to move the wheels and providing improved acceleration and responsiveness. Monobloc CV axles also provide smoother and more consistent power transfer from the engine to the wheels, which enhances overall vehicle performance. Reduced noise, vibration, and harshness, or NVH. The monobloc CV axle precision manufactured design helps reduce noise and vibration during operation and enhances the overall driving experience. Increased load capacity. The monobloc tube design can handle higher torque loads due to its structural integrity, making it suitable for vehicles that produce higher torque demands such as performance or off-road vehicles. Reduced maintenance. With fewer joints and welds, monobloc CV axles require less maintenance and experience fewer mechanical failures. This results in overall lower maintenance costs and potential downtime. Precision alignment. The single-piece construction helps ensure a more precise alignment of the axle components, which ultimately helps reduce vibrations, improve handling, ride comfort, and tire wear. Thanks for watching.